welcome back to Shelly's Homemade, and today guys it is National Taco Day, so I come to bring to you some delicious tacos. So you're going to need some soft tortilla shells or some hard shells, whichever you like. I prefer the soft ones. I even have some soft corn tortilla shells. If you want those, that's fine as well. I have some mild cheddar cheese. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I have some chunky medium salsa, and then I have the queso cheese. I have some taco sauce, which is also mild, and I have some lettuce. Now I'm not using tomato because my salsa has tomatoes in it, so that's all the tomato I need. And of course we're gonna have to season this thing up, so we're gonna use some Shelly's house seasoning and some taco seasoning. Alright guys, so let's get started on this really quick, easy, and very tasty meal. Alright guys, let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start to chop up our ground beef, our 2 pounds of ground beef, non-politely. Just get in there and just get it in. It's easy. All you're doing is breaking apart some ground beef, honey. Alright. So if you don't have a non-flattering smell in your house when you ground beef without seasoning, make sure you get in here with about 4 tablespoons of some Shelly's house seasoning, or your favorite all-purpose house seasoning, guys. That's what we want to do. We want to get in there with some seasoning to season up this place. Then we're going in with some taco seasoning. We're going to use this whole packet. And get in there, because we want the meat to cook with the taco seasoning. Alright? Like that. And we are starting to smell the house up because we added seasoning to the ground beef. And when you cook meat without seasoning, woo, it does not have a flattering smell. It doesn't stink, but you can tell when you got some bland food coming to you. So you want to get in here and mix up all this ground beef and just chop it down. Gonna be great. So National Taco Day, Taco Tuesday, you know. We like having tacos on Tuesdays. Well, I like having the taco whenever I can have a taco. It don't have to be a Tuesday for me, honey. Get that taco on there. And I'm just going to show you guys how I like to have a good taco. You know, it's nothing major, nothing big. I'm just making tacos because it's taco day. Alright guys, now the ground beef is completely done. And look at that. It is beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So we're going to move this, then we're going to move over, and I'm going to show you how to build a taco Shelly style. Alright, so since it's National Taco Day, let's get started. So I'm going to move you over to the counter. Just meet me over here. Alright guys, so we're going to heat up some tortilla shells. Because I misspoke, I told you we were going to go on and do that, but we got to get these shells together first. Because how we going to have some, you know, tortillas? I mean, how we going to have some tacos without the shells? You know, that's crazy. Alright. So we're going to get these nice and warm, and we just going to keep moving it around. We don't want to leave them on there because they tend to burn fast. See, look at that. You get to burn some scorch marks. And just keep moving it around. Few seconds, every few seconds. Smooth it around. when you start to smell it, and it's nice and pliable like this, that means it's time to take it off. Alright, put another one on. I'm going to do a couple of these, then I'm going to do the rest off camera. Oh, I'm going to show you how I'd like to do the hard shell as well. Alright, just don't leave it on too long, it will burn. See? I caught it just in time. Just in time, guys. Just in time. And that's all done. So then I come in with the hard shells. I just put them right on here. Just like that. All three. I can get 3 on there. And see how they open up? Look at that. Nice. Alright. So I'm going to finish these off camera. And then we're going to assemble. Alright guys, so now let's assemble some tacos, guys. I want a soft shell, one of my favorites. We're going to do a soft shell. I'm going to get me down some of this delicious ground beef. I'm going to get some of this good old nacho cheese sauce or queso sauce or whatever you want to call it. Get some of this salsa down. Get a little bit of lettuce. Oh yeah. We're going to get some of this taco sauce. And we're going to get some of this good cheese. And guess what? Bam! Hit it up. Hit it up, hit it up. A little bit of sour cream. That's just how I like it. I like to roll mine. Now, not like a burrito. Like a roll-up taco, kind of. I'm gonna take the plate. Now, that's Taco Tuesday, guys. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're here, if you've been here, I love you guys. Please keep doing what you're doing. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. If you're new to this channel and you're checking me out, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.